Folks, you've heard me talk about the bottom in housing transactions. We just got a report at 4.02. On the phone or on the interview with Omar, my real estate entrepreneur this morning, who he will highlight the market that he covers, but he just let me know off air that he doesn't think the bottom is in, specifically around prices. So let's dig into what Omar is seeing. He is in Southern California. He will share which markets and talk about why prices might still be falling. Omar, how you doing?
Good. What's up, Michael? What's up, everybody? Hope you guys
So
are
what do you
all.
got, man? What's going? What market you're in? Remind people, and then tell me why you think prices are still falling.
The market that I'm in Southern California, which is the high desert, Apple Valley, Victorville, Hesperia, Oak Hills, Wrightwood. On the way to Vegas on that 15 freeway, you pass all of us. So that market there, it's still solid, but I feel, and this is my personal opinion, that the bottom's not here yet with price points because there's still a lot of overpriced property. And what I'm still starting to see is the higher price points. You can get a deal right now. You can get a good deal for a bigger price point, meaning 500, 600, 700K. You can probably knock off 100K
Yeah.
because there's nobody making offers.
No.
There's nobody making offers. So
Well,
there
yeah.
is something that's happening that I'm seeing. Inventory has declined more. So I want to say we're sub 1,100 homes.
And just to remind people, they can go back and look at your playlist. I think it was 4 short months ago, maybe 3 short months ago. You were knocking on the door of 2,000.
Yeah, we were at about 1850.
Yeah, 1850,
Yep.
I think. Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
So you're down 40% in inventory.
Mm-hmm.
That's amazing. And I want to poke at this price points because I think you're right. And I think you're wrong because when we talk about it, people may hear different things. So let me tell you the nuance
Correct.
of right and wrong.
Okay.
First and foremost, I believe that in many, if not most markets across the country, we are going to see 6-figure price cuts.
6-figure price cuts. Let's go.
Comma, in the luxury market.
For sure.
Right. But see, when I say things like that, people don't hear me. They hear 6-figure price cuts and they think the first time home buyer home is going to get,
300K.
yeah, that's not happening.
No.
If you want a deal, you got to shop where inventory is stacking up. And you told us 2 or 3 weeks ago, your luxury market is approaching 100 days on market.
Yeah, for sure.
That's not first time home buyer homes. They're not approaching 100 days on market, are they?
Uh-uh. No, not first time home buyer. Not 350s. No way. No
Yeah.
way.
So do you have the MLS in front of you? Could you do a quick search for me? And I want to get stats. I want to get stats on 3 different buckets because people really need to see this. And if you can, folks, I would do this in your buy box in your markets. Let me know when it's up.
Okay.
So I want to take some notes. So I want to do single family only. So no condos, no units, no land, no mobile homes, just single families.
Okay.
I want to do active. So no pendings, no withdrawals, none of that. And I'm going to take some notes while you do this. So I want to know how many active single
Only
family
houses.
only houses,
Okay.
single family above 800 grand.
Above 800K.
Yes.
Single family. There are 24.
Okay. Now,
And that does include, though, that
okay.
includes Apple Valley, Victorville, Hesperia, Wrightwood, and Lucerne. Wrightwood are bigger, they're cabins, and it's in the mountains.
Okay, that's fine.
So if we remove those,
no,
just
let's
in
just
general.
keep I don't care what the cities are. Just keep those cities
Okay.
so it's apples to apples. So,
Okay.
okay. Above 800K, you have 24 active. Now, change active to pending. How many single family homes, same cities, above 800K are pending?
That are pending?
Yeah, pending only.
And not active.
Correct.
That would be applying Or not. Let me see here. Give me a second.
Mhm.
Okay. Accepting backups and pendings.
Okay.
Above 800K, because
Correct.
we haven't changed it, 2.
So again, roughly speaking, you have 12 months of supply of luxury homes. If you want a discount, shop in luxury, but we're going to do this 2 more times.
Okay.
And we'll leave it pending right now just because it seems like it's difficult to change. So for pending now, the only thing I want you to change is I want you to do 400K to 800K.
400K to 800K.
Same thing, pending, same cities, all of that.
For pending.
Pending only.
So it's still giving me all my actives. Yeah. Give me a second here.
Oh.
If I just remove them.
Yeah, I was hoping it'd be easy to do this. Maybe it's not.
Yeah, no. Um, hold on here. If I just remove it from
You know
okay.
what? Oh, you got it?
Yeah, no, 80.
Okay. All right. So
80.
80 pending
80 pending.
between 400 and 800K. Now for the
That's correct.
last pending below 400K.
Okay. Oof. Below 400K is gonna be
I'm going to guess a big number, but I have no idea. Or a bigger number.
0 to 100.
400K.
400,000. All right. So there are, this is crazy. Wow. 60.
Ah, okay. So you have, wow,
So
60
60 pending.
below
Okay.
400K
Six,
single family homes.
below 400K.
Interesting.
There's 226 actives.
Okay. Let me
Okay.
write that down because I was going to ask you.
226 actives.
Okay. Below
And
400K.
yes, and then 360 total. So yeah, 60. Yep, we're good.
Okay.
60 is the difference.
Okay. So again, we're just going to look at the high end, which again, you had 24 active, 2 pending. That's a 12-month supply. First time home buyer homes, which in your market's below 400. You
Right.
have 226 listed and 60 pending. So that's roughly a 4-month supply.
Hey, actually, scratch that. It's not. We're at 220.
Yeah.
And I just did the numbers wrong. 320 is 100. So we're 140 transactions pending.
Oh, that makes more sense. That's why. That's the kind of
140
ratio.
transactions. Yes. My apologies. 140 transactions pending.
So 226 active, 140 pending. That is less than 2 months supply.
Yep.
This is
Big difference
why
now.
to your earlier point when you said price drops are happening. I think they're happening. I think they will be substantial. I think they will be 6 figures, but they will be in one part of the market, in one part of the market only. That's the luxury market. If you are in a market where you have 12 months of supply, you can find a deal. Here's a hint for any real estate investors or home buyers. If you are ever operating in a market where there are 12 months of supply, the buyer has all the power. Right?
Yep.
Stupid, right? Disrespectful offers. Let's give you an example of a disrespected offer. There's a home listed in your market for 1.5 million. It's one of the 24 homes. You are probably one of 2 or 3 buyers in the area currently shopping that could also afford it. I got to tell you, my first offer would be something like $999. I wouldn't offer 1.5. Why would I?
No way.
And again, I might settle at 1.2 or something, but I would write disrespectful offers because somewhere inside that list of 24 is somebody that's got to sell. And frankly, if the list was only 24, I'd write an offer on every home.
And honestly, this is one thing I just slacked my group right now, and I told them, hey, we need to make some crazy offers. See me after the meeting, because I look at them and I'm like, oh my God, like these houses,
yeah,
like we can get some deals. And by the way, you switch it to multifamily, little hack. I made some offers yesterday and the day before for 300K under list price on the multifamily.
there you go. Again, right? It does writing disrespectful
Why
offers.
not? It was
Why not?
1.2. Yeah.
Yeah. It's awesome. So again, I think
Dude,
I think
crazy.
you're right. I think there are massive price drops that will be accepted on luxury homes. Again, 12-month supply is stupid. But it's not, but people think it's going to happen in first-time home buyer, and it's not. 226 actives, 140 pending, less than 2 months supply. You might get a 5, 8, 10K price drop, but you're not getting 6 figures. Come on. It's just not happening.
No, you're not.
Yeah.
This is crazy.
Yeah. So
this is enlightening even for me.
Yeah. So if you wanted to join your team, be a part of your organization, write some crazy offers in the high desert, how would they reach out to you, Omar?
Guys, follow me on IG at Invest with Omar, or go to my website, omaralfaro.com.
Awesome. Thank you so much. Take care.